Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are getting an error message that looks like this with a code of KB4534310, then there's a couple of things you're going to want to do to resolve this issue. So first, what you're going to want to do is come to your desktop, and from your desktop, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click on your search icon down here. Next, go ahead and type run into the search box and open up the run app, which will be underneath best match. Now into the search box, what you want to do here is type the following, which is the % symbol followed by temp and then another % symbol and then hit enter. So it's going to load up a folder that's going to look similar to this. Now what you want to do from here is locate your Roblox folder in here. So you can see that's down here, and then simply go ahead and delete this from here. So you just click onto it and press delete. Once that's done, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. So once you open up a browser, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and click onto the three dots up here. Next, come down and click onto settings, and then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side of this menu and go ahead and click onto privacy and security. From here, what you're going to want to do is look at the section down here, so privacy and security, and what you want to do is click onto cookies and oversight data, and then from here just scroll down site until you see the all site data and permissions option down here. Give that a click, and from here at the very top of the page, what you want to do is go ahead and type into the search box Roblox. So you can see roblox.com should come up. What you want to do next is click into the trash can next to this Roblox. So you want to click here and then click onto clear. Once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer. So once you've restarted your computer, there's just one final thing you're going to want to do, and what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto your search icon again, and go ahead and type Roblox player. Now what you want to do underneath best match is right click onto the Roblox player and click on open file location. From here, go ahead and click onto the Roblox player to highlight it. Right click and then come down and click onto properties. Next, what you want to do, you're going to get a window like this, and from here, if you look at the top, you've got some different tabs you want to click onto compatibility. Now what you want to do is tick the box to run its program in compatibility mode. So you want to tick this box here, and from the drop down box, you want to select Windows. Make sure you've also ticked the box underneath settings, which has to disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and then OK. If you do have the option to run the compatibility troubleshooters, well, you can do that in addition, and this is going to detect any further issues. What we want to do is run this and click on to try recommended settings, then test the program, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to reconfigure and reinstall Roblox to run on your system successfully. So once that's done, what you want to do is click next and then click yes to save these settings. You'll see it's going to say fix with a tick. Go ahead and close this and come out this, and what you want to do one final time is restart your computer, and if you now go ahead and try and play Roblox, you should now be able to play with no problems. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.